What are these, Cap?
Mallards. We got 4.
Right out here on the south side?
Looking
Two.
hard,
Look
moving
at the
north.
south side.
Oh,
There's 2 coming around in
oh
front.
wow.
What are they?
I don't know.
Mallards.
Maybe big ducks. I'm not
These are
sure.
big ducks,
I
yeah.
don't know if we get the others. Here they come. Get ready, guys. Chester, somebody shoot
I
these.
got it.
Wait, no, spoonies. Let's start in with a spooner. Look at that.
You got big
boy.
ducks all around us.
Oh man, we got some big ducks out front.
Okay. Lift it off.
Big ducks out front. Looking hard.
What's that from?
South. I'm sorry, south.
Uh,
We got commits coming in. They're gonna fly over us. God, look at that. That's beautiful. Right on top of us now. All right, moving out to the north. Still looking there. They're going west now. Yeah, a little spooked. I don't know. Probably all those
the camera.
spoonies taking off. No, the spoonies taking off.
I'm getting nervous.
All right, they're still quiet. We got 3 out front. South. Coming over us, don't move. They're gonna come over the top. Looking hard. Right on top. Shit, look at that. Look at that. Blackjacks. All right, we got 3 big ducks on the south side.
There's a larger group coming in. What are those? Blackjack? Teal?
Teal, yeah. Okay. The ones out south are all big ducks. They're mallards.
They're hot.
Now yeah, but they're looking hard. Coming in southeast. See them?
Yeah.
Got 3 mallards. Gonna come over the top. 4 mallards. Just hold what you got. They're right on top of us now. Moving out to the north.
Oh, cousin on your end.
They went back east.
Look at this group of teal
Went
there.
back east.
This looks like ball plates.
Get on the camera.
4 mallards south.
Got it.
All right, who's gonna shoot? Chester?
This is the last time I did it.
They're gonna come right over us. They're still high. Shit, look at all those teal.
Wow.
All right, the mallards are off to the east now, north. They're coming still high on top. You see them there? Look due west. They're right on top now. They're south side. 4 mallards. Turn to the west.
Keep it going.
Yeah, they may not come back. Look at all these teal. Awesome.
These dive off.
Look at this. Look at that. That's so cool.
What are those?
I think the 3 are blackjacks.
They didn't look like it unless they're female.
And then
They
there's
didn't have a white
teal.
dress. Take a look at those.
Okay.
Where they went.
Look at this.
Should we just kill the damn teal and be done with it?
Nah, let's wait on the big duck. What are we gonna do, man? It's only 8:30.
Alan's got a lot of footage though of ducks.
Huh?